Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed the concept of more or less. In this video we will learn tall or short, big or small. Today our topic is big and small, tall and short. Let's start our topic. First of all, we will discuss about the big and small. We use big and small to talk about the general size of something. I repeat, if we want to talk about the general size of something, we use big and small. Here we can see that two elephants are shown. According to their size, this one is big and this one is small. I repeat, first one that is on the right side is big and elephant on the left side is small. Now students, you will tell me. Here two mice are shown. Which one is big and which one is small? This one is big and this one is small. Two cats are shown. Can you tell me about this cat? Is it big or small? Yes, very good. This is big and this cat is small. Here three cats are shown. If we say that first one is small, then the next one will be smaller as compared to first one. Middle one is smaller, so we will say that the second cat is smaller. And third, what about third? It is smallest. Third cat is smallest among all them. So first one is small, second middle one is smaller and third one is smallest. If we talk about these balls, as if we say that this is big, what about this one? Can you tell me? Let me tell you, it will be bigger. It is bigger than first one. And this one is biggest. I repeat, as first one is big, middle one is bigger than first one and third one is biggest from all them. Now we will discuss the concept of tall or short. We use tall or short to talk about the height, especially with people, but sometimes also with buildings and trees. I repeat, we use tall and short to talk about the height. When we talk about the height, we use tall and short. It can be people, building, or trees, or something else. Here we can see that two kids are shown. First one is tall and second one is short. Two trees are shown on the screen. Can you tell me about this one? Is it tall or short? This one is tall and the other one is short. As these are also arranged according to their height. If we say this one is tall, middle one is taller than first one. I repeat, middle one is taller than first one and this is tallest among all. Here some of the ducks are shown. As this duck is short, middle one is shorter. I repeat, middle one is shorter than first duck and third one is shortest among all. I repeat, first one is short, second one is shorter than first one, and third one is shortest. Here we can see that two sisters are shown, Sarah and Maria. Sarah is taller than her sister Maria, whereas Maria is shorter than her sister Sarah. Here a whiteboard and book is shown. What about whiteboard? It is big or small? Yes students, hurry up, tell me the answer. Correct, it is big. And what about the book? Very good, this is small. In this video we have discussed the concept of big and small, tall and short. In the next video we will learn about the shapes. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.